Harbor Freight's August parking lot sale is around the corner. It's going to be starting on August 10th through the 13th for Inside Track Club early access. And everyone else will be on August 14th through the 16th. And in this video, I'm going to be doing the deep dive of the 30% off all Icon torque wrenches, as well as the 40% off on all clamps. I'll go over the different options they have here in this video. Now let's get started. All right, first up is going to be on the Icon 3/8 drive of the 40 to 200 inch-pounds of torque range. It is a compact torque wrench. The retail price on that one is 120 bucks. So you'll be able to pick it up for 84 bucks, saving that 30%. Next up is the Icon Professional Split Beam Torque Wrench in the 3/8 drive. It has a 15-degree rotation of that flex head. It offers 20 to 100 foot-pounds of torque range and has low-profile flex head design. Here's the back of the card for the additional details about the split beam. Now this one does retail at 140 bucks, so you'll be able to pick it up for 98 bucks. And they do have one of these on display right here. It is still nice and compact. This was the one I was considering getting, and actually, I'm going to ask for your guys' feedback. I'm in the market for a torque wrench, and I'm still undecided which one I'm going to go for. This was the one I was leaning towards, and it is something I won't be using very often, just to do some torquing down different bolts on maybe suspension and different things, but no engine work. And I was even also considering going with the Quinn digital torque adapters, since it is something I'm not going to be using very often. And this was recommended to me by Number One Directa, so that's leaning towards those maybe. And I want to ask for your guys' opinion, so be sure to comment below. So they do have another split beam option in the 1/2 inch drive. They just don't have it here on display in the store or a box for me to be able to show you. So I pulled up the listing here on the website. It also retails for 140 bucks. So it's the same pricing as the 3/8 drive one. So you'll be able to pick it up for 98 bucks. And this one offers a torque range of 40 to 250 foot-pounds of torque versus the 3/8 one is 20 to 100 foot-pounds, which I'm kind of surprised they're actually priced at the same price for the two different ones. All right, next up is going to be on the 3/8 drive of the digital torque wrench. It is a flex head and also offers digital angle. So you can do different tasks with that between torquing, as well as if you have to adjust fasteners to a specific degree, this would be able to handle it. And this one in particular offers a range of 5 to 100 foot-pounds of torque. And here's the card with the different specs on it. So it has the 3 modes of torque, angle, and torque, and then angle. And again, 5 to 100 foot-pounds of torque for the 3/8 drive one. Here's the back of the card with all the other details about it. So you can certainly pause the video and take a look. This one does retail at 360 bucks. So you'll be able to pick it up for $252. So it would be an excellent time to save 30% on it. And they also have a 1/2 inch drive of the digital torque wrench. This one does have 5 measurement modes between the foot-pounds, inch-pounds, and angle. So it's a 1/2 inch drive. It offers a range of 12.5 to 250 foot-pounds of torque range. The retail price on that one is $390. And so you'll be able to pick this one up for $273. Next up is going to be on the flex head of the 1/2 inch drive click torque wrench. This offers a torque range of 50 to 250 foot-pounds of torque. And the retail price on this one is 160 bucks. And you'll be able to pick it up for $112. And here is their most expensive option from Icon. It's on the 3/4 inch drive torque wrench. It has a 48 tooth ratcheting mechanism. It offers a torque range of 100 to 600 foot-pounds of torque. So this is the front of the card that they have. Then here's the other specs on the back of the card. And again, you can pause the video and take a look. This one does retail for 420 bucks. So you'd be able to pick this one up for $294. And the next click torque option they have is on the 3/8 drive one that goes from 20 to 100 foot-pounds of torque. It's about a medium-sized one. Has a 90-tooth ratcheting mechanism. The retail price on that one is 115 bucks, and you'll be able to pick this one up for $80.50. And they have the 1/2 inch drive torque wrench. It's a click one. It's a fixed head one with a 90-tooth ratcheting mechanism. Offers a torque range of 50 to 250 foot-pounds of torque. That retail price is 150 bucks, which you'll be able to pick this one up for $105. And one other Icon offering they have is on the 3/8 drive one. It offers a torque range of 5 to 75 foot-pounds of torque. And this one retails at 140 bucks. So you'll be able to pick it up for 98 bucks. And this one also has the flex head design to it that allows a 15-degree of rotation. All right, that is going to be all the Icon torque wrenches that they offer for the sale. And then don't forget, they will have 35% off on all the Quinn ones as well, which I did cover that in the Quinn deal video. In case you missed that video, we'll put a link up above so you can check that one out. So you do have options on all the torque wrenches available from both brands. And the other part of the 30% off all Icon torque wrenches is also including the breaker bars. So I'll show you the breaker bars that they have here in the store. You can also save 30% on. The first option they have is on the 36-inch 3/4 drive breaker bar. It is priced at 90 bucks. And I think you could probably call this thing the Persuader. This thing is a beast. So there's the details of it. 180-degree pivoting head, high alloy steel construction, and an ergonomic grip design. So here's a look at the grip. This one could also be called the Peacemaker. And that one's 90 bucks, so it'll be a good time to save the 30% on it. And next up is the 25-inch breaker bar. The half-inch drive one also has a 180-degree pivoting head and an ergonomic grip design, just like the 3/4 inch one, just a little bit smaller. This one retails for 38 bucks. So they actually had one in the wrong spot. That there's another one that does retail at 40 bucks. They call that the half-inch drive, the 25-inch Pro breaker bar. So I'm not sure if that has like a comfort grip or what. So the next one up is the 18-inch breaker bar and the half-inch drive. Retail price is $29.99. Also has a 180-degree pivoting head and the ergonomic grip design, just like the others do. So again, that one's 30 bucks. And the next option is on the 13-inch breaker bar and the 3/8 drive, 180-degree pivoting head. This one also has an ergonomic grip design, but it is the Comfort Grip one. This one is priced at $23. So that is all the breaker bars that Icon has to offer. It'd be a good time to save 30% on it. Now, let's head over to the clamps. And if you're enjoying this video so far, I really appreciate it. Give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more deal videos like this. Now let's head to the clamps. So this August parking lot sale is going to be a great time for you woodworkers to be able to capture deals on the clamps, which is 40% off on all of them from Bremen and Pittsburgh. And they actually have a Quinn option as well, which I'd probably actually recommend staying away from. So it is going to be a good time to save 40% on them because I've not seen a better discount on clamps before. And certainly these days to save 40% on anything is going to be a good deal. So I'll just cover briefly here the different options they have here in the store. And to start off, they do have some Pittsburgh aluminum bar clamps. One of the things I'd recommend is checking out the different reviews for the different various clamps. I know for certain that the ones that they have of the other F-style clamps, the metal on those are definitely thin. And if you have to really torque down on something, the metal has a tendency to bend, so they're not going to be very reliable in that aspect. So just be aware of the capabilities of the clamps so you know what your expectations should be on them. So they do actually have a couple different options for like clamp and cut edges. They have some by Pittsburgh that are priced at 15 for the shorter one and then 20 bucks for the 50-inch one. And they even have a Quinn option, which this is the one I would say you should probably stay away from based on the reviews. It's the clamp and cutting edge guide. It does go up to 101.5 inches, so you can make cross cuts on plywood and the full length of plywood as well. But based on the reviews, it's not very reliable. It doesn't clamp down hard enough, and it has basically, I think, around 70% of people actually recommend this. So maybe it might be better to stay away from it. This is priced at like $39.99, just to give you a heads up on it in case you are interested in it. But just know that there's been problems with it. All right, the kind of clamps I do recommend going for are the ones made by Bremen, and this is what I'm considering maybe picking up a few of these because I don't have any of these parallel clamps. This one in particular is a 48-inch one, and they also have a 24-inch one that's priced at 30, whereas the 48-inch one is priced at 39. So they do have those couple different options. I've heard great feedback on these style of clamps, and they're pretty comparable to the bigger brand, more expensive clamps out there. So again, use your discretion on picking up the Pittsburgh clamps. I know some of you do like them, but again, I know Robert, who's a friend of the channel, says they're decent just as long as you know not to torque down on projects. So they obviously have different various sizes of the different styles there. And these are the kind of clamps that I currently have a few of myself on these Bremen high power trigger clamps and spreaders, because you can switch it around and use it as a spreader. And they have 375 pounds of clamping force. And you can see here on the diagram that they have it as a splitting configuration. So that option is actually very handy when doing different wood projects. And they have various sizes of these as well, from like 6 inches, 12 inches, 24, and even on up to the 36-inch one as well. And these are the clamps that I would typically pick up a couple of them during the 30% off deal. And other clamps that I do recommend going for are these Bremen hand clamps. So they have The 2-inch one here, this is their smallest option they offer. It offers a 50-pound of clamping force. These create a great extra hand when needed, help hold pieces in place of different wood projects or other projects. And this one retails for $6. And then they do have a larger option as well, which is a 4-inch one. So it's double in size compared to the 2-inch one. And again, you just press on the lever right here to release it. And it has these adjustable feet to them, so it can adjust the angle on whatever you need to clamp down on, which are pretty nice. I do recommend these. This one here is priced at $7, and again, this one is priced at $6. And they have many other styles of clamps to choose from Pittsburgh brand. They have like a corner clamp one, a 3-inch one, priced at $5. A 1-inch by 15-foot ratcheting band clamp priced at $4.49. A drill press locking clamp priced at $10. They have a few different varieties of pipe clamps as well. Price is $7, $12, and $13. And they also have this corner and vise clamp as well, priced at $9. So that would be included under this deal. And also from Pittsburgh brand, they have various sizes of the different spring clamps to choose from in the plastic as well as the metal ones that are below it, like these basic clamps. Like this one here is $1.49. Then they work their way up in sizing. This is $1.99. And then here's their large one. This one's priced at $3. So again, good opportunity to save 40% on them. You can never have too many clamps, has been my experience. And they also offer these multi-pack of clamps that are of various sizes by the Pittsburgh brand, and they do offer the lifetime warranty here as stated on the package. And this pack is $9, and you could go for these Pittsburgh ones, but they are on a dollar days coupon right now on these chip clip style ones. Those are priced at $2. Again, they offer the lifetime warranty on it, and they have many other clamps to go for as well. They have these horizontal toggle clamps that are priced at $4.49. Then they definitely have your bases covered for all the different size C clamps that they have. So you definitely pause the video, take a look at the different pricing. I mean, they are pretty cheap already. These are by the Pittsburgh brand of the various size C clamps. And they even have the deep throat C clamp priced at $12. So again, great options for clamps and save 40% on them. And this next one I know comes highly recommended by Arthur, a friend of the channel. It's on these wood clamps. This one is the smallest one. It's the 8-inch hand screw clamp. Kind of reminds me of shop class back in school. So basically you adjust it down. But one of the things that these are great for that was brought to my attention by Arthur was these actually make great clamps to be able to clamp down on woodwork pieces that you need to keep at a 90-degree angle, such as if you're doing cabinetry work. So this would create a base on the workbench that you clamp down on like a piece of plywood or other woodwork to keep in a vertical position. So I might actually pick up a couple of these myself this time around. So I definitely don't have any of these yet. So this one is priced at $9. Then they have a medium-sized one priced at $10 and a large one priced at $12. And here's another option from Pittsburgh. It's on the corner clamp with quick release. So this one's a good size one compared to the other corner clamp that I mentioned earlier that was priced at $5. Well, this one's priced at $15. Now this parking lot sale deal should also include welding clamps since it has clamp in the name. And I think it also might include the locking welding clamps by Bremen. So you got many different options to choose from and different kinds of clamps because that should cover them all based on their wording of 40% off on all clamps. So even though they don't show welding clamps on the picture, it should still be included in this deal. So this one is a Berger or Burger, I don't know how you pronounce it, 12-inch one. It's the F-style welding clamp. That one's priced at $28. Then they have one by Titanium. That one's a 2-piece one, and that one's priced at $40. Here's a closer look at the Titanium. So it's got obviously a large one and then a smaller one for the 2-piece set. Now I tried asking a manager as far as the clarification goes on the deal for all clamps, and they don't know yet because usually Harbor Freight releases the details of each of the deals a few days before the actual sale starts. At least that's the way it was explained to me. But this might be something that is covered. I just don't know for sure or not if it is, but it does have the word C clamp in the name of it. So I would technically think it should be included under the clamp deal. So they do have a few different Bremen options of these C clamps. So they have the 11-inch one that's priced at $15, and they have a different style of 11-inch C clamp. You see this head right here is a little bit different. This one's priced at $12, whereas the one that's $15 has like a larger it kind of like move or swivel a little bit versus the fixed ones. Then they have a smaller version here priced at 12 for the 6-inch C-clamp locking pliers. So again, I think it might be included, but we'll have to see if it is or not when a deal comes out. So at the time of the sale, it'd be worth asking your store or just have them try to ring it up at the register and see what it comes out and see if it comes up under that deal. And they do have one other Bremen option that's on the 18-inch C-clamp locking pliers. This thing is a beast. Yeah, so it has a 10-inch throat depth to it. That's pretty amazing. And a 9.5-inch clamping capacity. And the retail price on that one is 25 bucks. And they do have Pittsburgh options as well under that C-clamp name. So if that includes the Bremen, then it should also include the Pittsburgh versions as well. So those are going to be the clamps I'm going to cover in this video. And there's going to be certainly more clamps to choose from. And in fact, if you pull up the Harbor Freight app or go on the website and just type in the search bar clamps, and you'll see everything that does come up under clamps. So they actually have more styles than what I was covering here. Well, they even consider hose clamps as a clamp. So I don't know if that might be a stretch or not, but something that's interesting, they do have this Pittsburgh fluid line clamp set, and they also have a Pittsburgh line clamp, more hose clamps, and they even have by Bremen some different chain clamps too. So that might be part of the deal. And another way of telling is when the parking lot sale flyer comes out on the digital flyer on harborfreight.com, which is typically a few days before the sale starts. They will have a clickable ad on there, so you can click on that ad and it'll pull up everything that is included under the deal. So definitely be worth checking out in advance, so that way you can plan out your parking lot sale haul. So this will just give you an idea of the different clamps that come up on the website. But that's going to be all the clamps I'm going to cover in this video. And if you did get any value from this video, I really appreciate you give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more deal videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Crasher out.